In this tutorial, we are going to go over how to redeem any earned loyalty rewards points for free product. Redeeming points can be done on either a points order or a standard order. The process is virtually the same. We will use a loyalty order in this video. To redeem points on a loyalty order, click on the corresponding button listing the loyalty order number you want to order on. In your loyalty order card, add any items you want to use points on by typing the product name in the quick add and clicking on the items once it pops up. Once you have added your items with the desired quantities, go to the Use Points column in the order. Any items that are eligible for point redemption will have a drop-down menu which allows you to select the quantity in which you want purchased with points. Please note that any item purchased with points will not have PV. You can track how many points you have by looking at remaining rewards points listed just below the items. Remember, you must have enough points to purchase an entire item. You cannot use points for part of the cost of a single item and then pay for the difference. Make sure you have at least one item that is being paid for and that there is at least one PV on the order. Because this is a loyalty order, it cannot have zero PV. If you have applied points to the items you desired, make any other edits to the order. For example, add items to pay for, remove items you do not want, change any payment or ship to information, or select the desired shipping option. You can click on the View Totals option to double check the total for this order. Once your order is ready to go, it is important to know that you must select this option to process the order today. Because you are redeeming points, you cannot save the order to process on your scheduled date. If you are not ready to have the order processed, you will need to remove the point items in order to save the loyalty order for a later date. Once you continue, you can proceed to check out and process the order now. Thanks for watching and enjoy your oils.